Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to screen record on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series. So the first step when it comes to screen recording is to access the quick panel setting menu. And to do that, you just need to swipe twice from the right side and the quick setting menu will appear. Now from here, you should see the option screen recorder. If you don't find it here, then just tap on this edit icon. Just tap on the add control button. Look in here for the screen recorder, and when you find it, tap on it and then tap in an empty area, then select done again. And once you have finished with all of that, you should see the screen recording icon. So once you have located the icon, just tap on it. And then it will prompt you to choose how you want to record sound. So you can choose none, you can choose media, and you can choose use media and mic. And if you have a wireless microphone or a Bluetooth microphone or any type of a microphone that you have connected to your Galaxy S26 Ultra, then you will be able to select that mic as your default mic. So here we have two options, full screen and partial screen. Any area of the screen and that area of the screen will be recorded. Now for the sake of this video, we are going to be selecting the full screen. So once you have customized how you are going to be recording your screen, just tap on start recording and then countdown will appear. Then once you are done that, your screen recording on your phone will start being recording. So every action that you are going, whether it's opening apps, closing apps, make testing or something similar, your phone screen will be recorded. Now at the top, you should see this toolbar that allows you to do even more functions when you are recording your screen. So you have the option of tapping on this icon here and then you can start drawing on your phone screen whatever you want. Again, it will still be recorded on the screen recorder. You can choose to change the color by tapping on this color icon, selecting a different color as well as the opacity and the thickness of the color. Again, it's completely up to you. If you want to erase it, just tap on this undo button here and then it will be erased what's currently on your screen. You can go even further by choosing to use this selfie camera option. So you can just tap on it and then you have this selfie camera menu at the top appearing. So it will be recording your face at the same time as you're recording your screen. And then you can go even further if you want to remove that camera option. Just tap on that icon again and it will remove the selfie camera. Then you also have this play and stop icon here as well as the timer for how long the screen recording is going. If I want to push the recording, I can just tap on push and then do whatever it is you wanted to do, whether you are something personal and you don't want it to record to catch it, or it's a phone call, just something you don't want to record, you can just tap on push. Finish up what you are doing and then tap on start again to continue recording. If you are ready to stop your screen recording, just tap on this stop icon here and then your screen recording will be saved into your gallery. Now open up your gallery and then you should see your screen recording and then you can just tap on play and your screen recording will be played. So everything I have previously did, you will be seeing on this screen recording. So guys, that is basically how you can screen record on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Peace.